I love just going out someplace I've never been before, trying to see a new view, a new waterfall, a new lake. Sure, when I get to a spot, I can take my helmet off and, smell the pine trees and, hear the river and everything like that. But you can get all that on the motorcycle too, which is pretty awesome as you're passing along the way. My name's Piazza, and I'm an industrial designer as my day job, and on the weekends I try and get out here in the woods as much as I can. I got into adventure motorcycling about 5 years ago, and it kind of started by going on motorcycle rides with friends and just trying to find the twistiest roads that we could. And you find some rural pavement road that you're going down, and then you see a dirt road off to the side and you're like, oh, I wonder what's down there. Like, it doesn't look like anybody's been down there for a long time. So then that led to getting bikes with knobby tires that could go off-road, and then getting bikes with bigger suspensions, and then getting bikes that could haul gear. Adventure motorcycling falls right between like overlanding and like traditional backpacking on foot. You've got this motorcycle which can take you further than you could on foot, and maybe up some terrain you would be too tired to go up. But it also can go in places that like a car can't go, and you can pack some stuff on it just like you could on a truck, but you can't pack as much. It's this balance of you can't throw everything on a motorcycle, but you can carry more than you could by yourself. I pack a folding saw, and I usually have a knife. It's usually a smaller knife, and having a bigger knife would definitely be better. I sometimes will pack an axe, and if I use that, I can use the back of the axe as the hammer, but I don't always pack it. It kind of just depends on what I'm doing. If you deflate your tires and you go at too fast of a speed, you can hit a rock or a sharp object and what they would say taco your rim, where the actually front wheel spreads out. So the only way to fix that is to basically bash that rim kind of more back into shape. And usually you have to just find a rock to do that with, or find a rock and use your wheel on it. But being able to have that flat knurled surface of the hammer on the COMBAR, you definitely could get precise with where to fold that part of the rim back in to get the bead to seat again. And then yeah, the fold out saw is a classic needed object as well while motorcycle camping, whether you need to clear part of the trail or just cut down some limbs for firewood. Saw's up there with a knife and very much needed object all the time. Yeah, it's a huge passion of mine, and luckily I found a partner who was supportive of it, because while camping with a family is fun and a different experience, I also love just getting out on my own or getting out with a couple of friends and unplugging from everything.